If everything goes well, we will feel that we are so strong to deal any situation. So it is very easy to be mentally strong. But when we get a problem, we will end up in stress and depression. So it is not that easy to come out of that. Find the best ways to make ourselves strong. If your mentality is strong, your willpower will become strong as well, so that you can achieve anything in life. We pick up the common behaviors that hold us back in life and also how to avoid those behaviors from the book of 13 Things Mentally Strong People Don't Do, written by Amy Morin. We go to the gym to build up our physical muscles, but we haven't yet thought about mental strength, which is the real key to our more productive and meaningful life. Now we will discuss about those things which makes us mentally strong. Need not to waste our time in feeling sorry for ourselves. Every person has feelings, but we should not spend more time on it when feeling sad. Present won't change even if you feel sad. So focus on the things which can change our future and enjoy the present. Spend most of the time on the things which makes us happy, like spending time with our family, playing games and cooking, etc. One of the best examples for this is Marla Runyan, an American lady, created a world record by completing a marathon within 2 hours in 2002. She is the first woman who achieved that feat. The main thing you need to aware of here is she is a blind woman. Due to a disease, she became blind in childhood. But it does not stop her interest in running race. She didn't feel sorry for her blindness. She knew that she lost her eyes but not legs. She is the one of the best examples for mentally strong people. Be thankful for what you already have. Don't give away your power. Sometimes you don't want to talk to someone but always think about that person because you feel bad about the things which were happened. Those feelings are the results of our behavior. This is the main reason saying that you are losing your power. If you don't like any one behavior with you, you should condemn that behavior immediately. So avoid certain things to avoid being mentally weak, which are depending on others' opinions, giving others a chance to regulate your feelings, letting others in depending your worth, being sensitive when facing the criticism, not self-controlling. Though you are feeling the same bad feeling towards others, self-motivate yourself and even think about the reasons behind the dislikes of a particular person and make the judgment according to that. You will continue to suffer if you have an emotional reaction to everything that is said to you. If words can control you, that means everyone else can control you. Change is not a bad thing. Many people are always afraid of and even feel shy in order to make changes in their life. Some people say that they are habituated to doing those things and it will be difficult to change. If any change gives the positive results, then no need to think about it once again and even no need to be shy. Here is an exemplary advice. If you are working for less salary which is not sufficient for your living expenses and facing financial issues due to that, you may not interested to change your job because of fear of new job environment or worrying about your skill level to reach business expectation. Take a piece of paper and write down the advantage from current job one side and write down the list of current expenses. Write the benefits of changing job one side and list of upcoming expenses. Then you will realize the importance of changing job. The realization eliminates all the fear that's stopping you to change the job. Progress is impossible without change. No need to worry about pleasing everyone. Don't try to impress others and don't do the things you don't like to do just because of others' sake. The benefit of doing this is you can express your feeling honestly. Many people disrespect temporarily, but they will understand your point when they realize the fact. This is one of the strange secrets of mentally strong-minded people. So there is no need to worry about pleasing anyone. Don't fear about calculated risks. Many of us don't want to take risks and even don't want to think about risks. They just want to play safe with the things which are available. But not calculating things about the future may make them fall into a biggest risk. For the better and upcoming opportunities, we need to take a risk. So it's better to reduce our fear in taking some calculated risks. We do have a lot of exemplary life stories of people who have taken calculated risks and reached their goals. For example, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team. But he was a railway ticket examiner at Kharagpur railway station in India from 2001 to 2003. While doing the government job, he concerned on his interest of playing cricket. For some time, he managed to do both job and concentrating on his passion. When he got the confidence about his career in cricket, he took the calculated risk by resigning his job. In the end, Dhoni holds numerous international cricket captaincy records. 13 things mentally strong people don't do. Strong people don't feel any woes. Don't focus on things which we can't control. Don't repeat the same mistake. Need not to waste our time in feeling sorry for ourselves. Don't give away your power. Change is not a bad thing. No need to worry about pleasing everyone. Don't fear about calculated risks. Don't dwell on the past. Don't see others as your competitors. Don't give up after the failure. Don't feel bad about alone time. Don't think about immediate results.